In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Google Classroom. Whether you've recently changed your name or simply want to update how it appears in your Google Classroom, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless for you. First and foremost, let's dive into where this all starts, right at your profile picture. When you're on Google Classroom or any Google page, locate your profile picture commonly found at the top right corner of the screen. This tiny image serves as your gateway to personalizing your Google presence, including your name. Once you've found and clicked on your profile picture, look for the option that says Manage Your Google Account. This selection is basically the control room for all your personal settings and information associated with your Google account. Clicking on it will transport you to the dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your account, from privacy settings to personal details, which of course includes your name. As you navigate through the dashboard, you'll come across the Personal Info section. This area is dedicated to all the information that defines you on Google, including the name you wish to display across Google services, such as Google Classroom. Go ahead and click on Personal Info to proceed to the next step. Within the personal info space, you'll spot the name section rather quickly. It's here that Google allows you to review the name currently associated with your account. But since our aim is to update or change it, simply clicking on Name will bring us closer to our goal. After clicking on Name, Google leads you into a more detailed area where your first and last name are displayed, and importantly, where you can edit them. This is the moment where you input your preferred name. Whether you're adjusting the spelling, adopting a new surname, or updating your name for any other reason, this step accommodates your changes. Take a moment to carefully type in your first and last name as you wish them to appear in Google Classroom and across other Google services. Now, having entered your desired name, the only thing standing between you and your updated Google presence is the Save button. This final click confirms your changes, effectively updating your name. Once saved, this new name will be reflected across Google Classroom, ensuring that teachers, classmates, and anyone else you interact with through Google services will see you just as you prefer. A quick note though, remember changing your name on Google affects all Google services you use, so it's worth considering how your new name will appear across various platforms, from your Gmail to Google Docs and beyond. It's not just a change in Google Classroom, it's a change that follows you across Google's ecosystem. In conclusion, updating your name on Google Classroom is straightforward thanks to Google's integrated settings. From clicking on your profile picture to saving your new name, each step is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can personalize your Google presence to suit your current circumstances or preferences. So, whether you're making this change for personal reasons or simply refreshing how your name appears, following these steps will ensure the process is smooth and effective. Remember, Google is a vast and interconnected platform, so give it a few moments to reflect the changes across all services. And there you have it, a simple guide to changing your name on Google Classroom. We hope this video has been helpful and has made the process as easy as pie for you. Don't forget, if you ever need to revisit any steps or make further updates, you can always come back to this guide for reference. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.